Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're down here at Broadway at the beach. We're going to bring you a list of our favorite restaurants that you may enjoy when you get down here on vacation. Let's go count them down.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
That's right. Now, we haven't eaten at all the restaurants around this complex, but the ones we have eaten at, we put a small countdown list of the ones we like, in hopes that it may help you when you get here.
Of course, most of these are kind of touristy.
But what's not touristy here in Myrtle Beach?
That's right.
And speaking of touristy, you can always eat at places like the Kinda New Hangout, where they dance on the tables, shower you with napkins, and sing to the latest TikTok hits.
Or somewhere like Dave & Buster's, where not only can you eat, but you can catch a game on one of the largest televisions on the Grand Strand.
Or play hundreds of video games for kids and adults of all ages.
Both offer pretty good food, but really lean towards entertainment and not so much the food.
With that being said, let's get to the list.
Coming in at number 6 is the Hard Rock Cafe.
The Hard Rock Cafe has multiple locations around the world. And we're not going to get into how touristy this place is. However, we've eaten at 4 other Hard Rocks, and this one seems to have a better grasp when it comes to food. Yes, it is a bit expensive due to having to showcase the rock and Hollywood memorabilia, but we found the food is pretty good considering. The good food, along with the great positive attitudes of the bartender and the wait staff, is why we chose the Hard Rock Cafe at Broadway at the Beach in Myrtle Beach to gracefully place at number 6 on our countdown.
And coming in at number 5 is Popstroke.
Popstroke is the newest restaurant on our list. They have several locations around the country, and you guessed it, all of them are in popular tourist locations. Their motto is eat, drink, putt, and repeat. Popstroke allows you not only to eat, but you can play 2 courses all day long as many times as you like. They offer multiple sports bar-like stations, and you can even get your drinks brought out to you while you're golfing. And having an outside window bar isn't too bad either. What allowed this one to chart our list at number 5 was that the food was really good and speedy, even though they were slammed. This puts Popstroke at number 5 on our countdown.
Coming in at number 4 is the Grumpy Monk.
The Grumpy Monk has several locations around the Grand Strand. They are locally owned and operated. This particular location sits right on the water, and during the summer, you can watch the rocket jet ski boats zoom by while you're eating on the back deck. They offer great sushi and seafood, as well as traditional steaks, burgers, pasta, and much more. Their realistic rustic atmosphere is a great place for the entire family or just to sit for a few and have a cold beer. This time we got the chicken, burger, and salad. The food was great, and at that time they offered free dessert sticks for your birthday. That helped put Grumpy Monk at number 4 on our countdown.
And coming in at number 3 is Landry's Seafood House.
Landry's has several locations scattered throughout many of the southern states. but we've only eaten at this one. This seafood restaurant offers the true flavor of Gulf Coast cuisine. While there, we got the gator bites as an appetizer, and then the blackened mahi and clam chowder. All were fresh and very tasty. Their drinks were great, and the staff was nice. The only reason they didn't score higher is because they made us pour out our ice water and said we could immediately order more and just pour it back in our tumbler, which we did. Go figure. We understand the reasoning, but we just don't like it. So Landry's comes in at number 3 on our countdown.
Coming in at number 2 is Joe's Crab Shack.
Joe's Crab Shack has multiple locations all around the country. This one also sits on the water at the Broadway Shopping Entertainment Complex. So if the weather is nice, you can sit on their large outdoor back deck and enjoy the beautiful views. They offer all kinds of seafood as well as burgers, chicken sandwiches, and lots more. They specialize in steam pots. On this particular visit, we got the clam chowder, hush puppies, and a bacon chicken sandwich. The food was hot and came out fast, and the workers were really nice. With the combination of all these and the complimentary souvenir drink mixer, helped to slide Joe's Crab Shack to number 2 on our countdown.
And before we show you our number 1 restaurant pick at Broadway, we'd like to throw in an honorable mention, Rio's Brazilian Steakhouse.
This one doesn't sit directly inside Broadway, but it is just across the street from it. They offer all-you-can-eat meat and a gigantic salad bar with everything on it. They also have lined on the side a hot food bar as well. We tried out Rio's the other week for the first time, and we thought it was worthy enough to make it to this list as an honorable mention. Of course, we ate so much it may be a while before we can get back there, because they pile on the meat. So if you're hungry and you're in the area, try out Rio's Brazilian Steakhouse for dinner if you're around this area during vacation.
Drum roll, please. And coming in at number 1 is Wallburgers.
Wallburgers has numerous locations around the country. This chain was started by none other than Marky Mark and his brothers. You remember Good Vibrations. And I know you remember Oh Oh Oh. Well, that was one of his brothers. This 2-story eatery is located in the Avenue section of the entertainment complex. It offers lots of seating and an open bar. And although we only ordered burgers on this particular trip, they were delicious. But what really amazed us was the spinach and Parmesan wall bites. That's an appetizer dish that is best ordered or eaten not on a diet, because one bite and you'll want several more orders, which catapulted this restaurant to number 1 on our list of places at Broadway at the beach to eat. That's a look at our top 6 favorite picks for best restaurants here at Broadway at the beach so far. We hope you found this video helpful when deciding where to eat when you get down here on vacation.
If so, how about giving a big thumbs up? It helps the channel bring you more content.
Also, subscribe to our channel because it's free and you'll get videos each week as we post them. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep beaching.
And we'll see you in the next video.